Hi everyone. Now we will start with second chapter, cubes and cube roots. It's totally similar to the first chapter, squares and square roots. Okay. So after this we will be finishing cubes and cube roots and square roots. Now you know square के लिए we have to multiply same number twice. So 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 2 square. You can say 3 into 3 is 3 square. Now cube के लिए what we will do? We will multiply same number 3 times. So 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3, it will become 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube. Cube means same number multiplied 3 times. So 4 into 4 into 4 is 4 cube ऐसा. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. जैसा squares में you have to remember some 1 to 30 का squares and then 35, 40, 45, 50. ऐसा cubes में try to remember at least 20 तक का cube roots. Cubes. बराबर 3 cube is 27, 4 cube. Actually, I only remember till 11 or 12. Even I don't know 13, 14, but I can manage it quickly. 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216. At least 1 to 10 ka cubes you should know. 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729, and 10 cube is 1000. Okay, 11 cube to 1331 that you have to remember. Just keep it in mind, all cubes up to at least 15. Okay, write it down this 15 तक का cube and learn. Now we will start with exercise. This is the small chapter and it's very simple chapter. Once you are done with the square roots, this is quite simple. Comparison with the squares and square roots. Now you have to find the cubes of each of the following numbers. Cubes means you have to do 16 cube. So 16 into 16 into 16. If you multiply, you will get 4096. 30 cube. So that is 30 into 30. Just multiply and check. 30, that is 27000. 1.2 ka cube, that is 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2. So 12 ka cube is 1728 and there are 3 decimal place, so it will become 1.728. 0.7 cube is 0.7 multiplied by 0.7 multiplied by 0.7. So that is 343. So 0.343. 0.06 cube. So that is 0.06 into 0.06 into 0.06. So 6 and 6 is 216. 6 cube is 216. Now check how many decimal places are there. 2, 4, 6. So total unit 6 decimal place. So 4, 5, 6. This is what answer is. Now 2 by 5 whole cube, that is 2 into 2 into 2 upon 5 into 5 into 5, that is 2 cube 8 upon 125. 1 by 9 whole cube, so 1 into 1 into 1 upon 9 into 9 into 9. So I know 1 ka cube is 1 and 9 ka cube is 729. Now 1 3 by 5, so 3 ones 5 ones are 5, 6, 7, 8 by 5 whole cube, so 8 into 8 into 8 upon 5 into 5 into 5. So 8 ka cube is 512 or 25 ka cube is 125. Now since question is in mixed fraction, answer should be in mixed fraction. So 125 into 4 is 500 and 12 is remainder. Okay? Hope you understood how to do cube. Now we will find cube roots. Examine whether each of the following numbers are perfect cube. In case of perfect cube, find the cube root. So first you have to see whether it's perfect cube or not. So pehle 729. We know it's a cube of 3. It's a cube of 9. So let us find part. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 3s are 3 81s are 3 27, 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. So in square root we used to take pairs of 2, but here we will take pairs of 3 3. So 729 is equal to 3 cube into 3 cube. We have complete pair. Okay, so here we can say therefore 729 is a perfect cube. Is a perfect cube. Now you have to find cube root of. क्यूब रूट में यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस, स्क्वायर रूट की साइन खाली ऐसी होती है, ओनली यू हैव टू डू दिस साइन, बट क्यूब रूट में यू हैव टू डू दिस एंड यू हैव टू राइट 3 to 8. सो क्यूब रूट के लिए वी कैन राइट क्यूब रूट ऑफ 729 is equal to cube root of 3 cube into 3 cube. So removing cube root you will get 3 multiplied by 3 which is 9. Hope you understood this. Next question 1331. So 1331 is the cube root of 11. So we have to show, but you cannot write directly. So 1331 is equal to 11 cube. So therefore 1331 is a perfect cube. Now we will say cube root of 1331 is equal to cube root of 11 cube. So that is 11. Next 5324 का पहले प्राइम फैक्टर निकाल दो. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 6 2 2 1 3 3 1. Now 1331 you know it's 11 cube. 11 121s are 11 11s are 11 1s are. So 5324 is 2 square into 11 cube. So 2 का we don't have pairs of 3. Okay, 2 does not exist in the pairs of 3. 3 का pairs होना चाहिए ना, 2 into 2 into 2. So we have only दो 2. So here I can say 5324 is not a perfect cube. Three three seven five. Let us start with 3. 1 1 2 5. 3 3s are 9. 22 7 5. 1 2 5. 5 से we can do 25. 5 5s are 5 1s are. So we have the pairs of 3 and 5. So 3375 is 3 cube into 5 cube. So we can say therefore 3375 is a perfect cube. So therefore cube root of 3375 is equal to cube root of 3 cube into 5 cube. So that will give you 3 into 5 which is 15. So as you see this is the cube of 15. Now next 9261, you have to check whether it is a perfect cube or not. For that first we have to find prime factors. Let's start with 3. 3 3s are 9, 0, 3 8s are 24, 3 7s are 10. We can again use 3, 1 0 2 9, 3 343. 343 is a cube of 7. So once you know cube, it will become very easy for you to predict. So 9261 is 3 cube into 7 cube. So we can say therefore 9261 is a perfect cube. So therefore cube root of 9261 is equal to cube root of 3 cube into 7 cube. That is 3 into 7 which is 21. Five 8 3 2 का प्राइम फैक्टर 5832. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 2 1s are 6, 2 1 4 5 8 2 7 29. We can use 3 now. 3 2s are 3 4s are 3 3s are 3 81s are 3 27s are 3 9s are 3 3s are and 3 1s are. Let's check whether we have pairs or not, pairs of 3 or not. 3 number का pairs है. Okay, we have. So we can write it is 2 cube into 3 cube into 3 cube. So therefore 5832 is a perfect cube. So now we will find the cube root of 5832, that is cube root of 2 cube into 3 cube into 3 cube. So that is 2 into 3 into 3, that is 18. One seven two eight. 2864 432 2216 108 254 227. Sorry, it's 393331. So we have pairs of 3. So that is 2 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube. Therefore, we can say 1728 is a perfect cube. So therefore, cube root of 1728 is equal to cube root of 2 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube. That is 2 into 2 into 3. 4 3s are 12. In this way, you can find cube root very easily. One zero five eight four. 2 5s are 2 2s are 2 9s are 2 2s are 2 6 4 6 1 3 2 3 3 से let's start 3 4 4 1 3 1 47 3 49 7 7 7 1. So here we have 2 के pairs, 3 के pairs, but 7 के pairs we don't have. 2 cube into 3 cube into 7 square. So therefore I can say 10584 is not a perfect cube. Hope you understood how to find cube root. Now we will do some fraction questions. Find the cube root of 216. We have to find the cube root of 216 upon 2197. So first we will find 216 का cube root. You have to find, if you know then also it's okay, but you have to find. You have to show method. 108, 2 into 54, 2 into 27, 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. 2197 का 2109, 2 से we cannot do. We will start with 3, 3 से भी we cannot do. तो I need to think कि ये 13 का cube है. This is 13 cube. 13 169s are 13 13s are 13 1s are. So this is, we can write cube root of 2 cube into 3 cube upon 13 cube. तो cube root के साथ we can remove cube, so you will get 2 into 3 upon 13, that is 6 upon 13. ठीक है, hope you understood this. Next question. This chapter is really very simple. तो पहले मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर दो. फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई 4 into 1331. That will give you मल्टीप्लाइंग करके क्या मिलता है, 4 1 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12, ये 24 हो गया, फिर कैरी 3 5 5 3 2 4 प्लस वी हैव टू डू 5 0 8, तो you will get 5832. So we can write 5832 upon 1331 का क्यूब रूट. तो 5832 का we can find prime factor, and 1331 का we can find factor. We know this is 11, 121 जा 11, 11 जा 11, 1 जा 2, 2 जा 4, 2 9 जा 2 1 जा 6 जा 1 4 5 8, 2 7 29, 3 2 43, 381, 327, 39, 33, 31 सा. So इसका क्यूब रूट I can write it as cube root of 2 cube 3 cube 3 cube, 2 cube into 3 cube into 3 cube upon 11 cube. So removing cube root, you will get 2 into 3 into 3 upon 11, 9 9 2 is 18 upon 11, you can write it in mixed fraction, 7 upon 11 or 1, 11 1 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18. So do not forget to write in improper fraction if question is given in mixed fraction if question is given in mixed fraction. Now decimal ka, how you will find the cube root of decimal. The first what I will do, 42875 upon 1000, I will remove decimals. Now cancel out, let's cancel out. To get, पहले 5 से कैंसिल कर देते, इधर ही लिखते हैं 42875 को 1000 से कैंसिल कर देते हैं. किससे कैंसिल करते हैं, 5 5 200 सा, 5 8 सा 40, 5 5 सा 25 37, 5 7 सा 35, 5 5 सा 540 सा, 5 1 सा 5, 35 7 सा 1 सा और 5 5 8 सा 40, इधर क्या बचता है, 5 3 सा 15, 21 5 4 सा 3 सा. तो इसका simplest form is 343 upon 8. Now you have to find the cube root of 343 upon 8 का cube root. So that is simple, 3 upon 2, sorry 7 upon 2, that is 3.5. So decimal का भी we had found cube root. So first you have to remove decimal by putting zeros and then simplify and then find cube root. Again mixed fraction. First we convert into improper fraction. 6 into 343 क्या मिलेगा, मल्टीप्लाई करो, जस्ट टेल मी कि व्हाट यू आर गेटिंग, बराबर, जस्ट डू इट, चेक. तो मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस यू विल गेट 2058, 3 3 is 9, 4 3 is 3 6 3 is 18, 1 6 4 is 24, 25 2, हाँ ठीक है, प्लस 139, so that is equal to 2197. So I have to find cube root of 2197 upon 343. So 2197 is the cube root of 13 and this is the cube root of 7. So solving this I will get 7 ones are 7 plus 6. Again we have decimal. So first let us remove decimal. This you cannot simplify. So now we will find prime factor of 19683 का prime factor. So let us start with 3 क्योंकि 3 से divisible होगा. 3 6 जा 18, 3 5 जा 15, 3 6 जा 18, 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 3 1 जा 26, 3 8 जा 3 7 जा 3 7 जा 3 2 जा 9 जा 3 2 43, 3 81, 3 27, 3 9 जा 3 3 जा 3 1 जा, and 1000 का तो we know I can just take 10 100 जा 10 tens are 10 ones are because we need cube root. So इसका I can write cube root of 3 cube into 3 cube into 3 cube whole upon 10 cube. So that is 3 into 3 into 3 upon 10, 27 upon 10, that is equal to 2.7. If you have question in decimal, you have to write answer also in decimal. Question number 4. Show that 2744 is a perfect square. Find a number whose cube is 2744. So first we have to find prime factors. 2744. 2 ones are 2 threes are 6, 2 sevens are 2 twos are. Now again 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 4 3. That is the cube of 7. 49 7 sevens are 7 ones are. So we can write 2744 is equal to 2 cube into 7 cube, means both factors are in the pairs of 3, so therefore we can say 2744 is a perfect cube. So therefore we have to find cube root of 2744, that I can write as cube root of 2 cube into 7 cube. Removing cubes, 2 into 7, that is equal to 14. Show that 648 is not a perfect cube. So to show whether it is not a perfect cube, you have to show that all factors are not in pairs of 3. 648. So 2 threes are 2 twos are 2 fours are 2 162 2 81 327 3 nines are 3 threes are 3 ones are. So we can say 648 is equal to 2 cube into 3 cube into 3. So therefore 3 does not exist in the pairs of 3. So therefore 648 is not a perfect cube. Find the smallest number by which 1125 be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. Also find the resulting number and the cube root of it. So we had done this type of question in squares and square roots. It's of same pattern. In square root we need the pairs of 2, but in cube root we need pairs of 3 numbers. Okay, same number multiplied 3 times. The first rule, find prime factor. We can start with 5, or we can 5 6 7 8 9. We can start with 3 also. 3 threes are 9, 3 sevens are 3 fives are 3 1 2 5, 5 25s are 5 fives are 5 ones are. So we can write 1125 is equal to 3 square into 5 cube. So therefore smallest number to be multiplied is 3, because if you multiplied whole number by 3, here also we will get 3 ka cube, then it becomes cube number. So therefore smallest number to be multiplied is 3. So therefore resulting number uh, resulting number is 1125 into 3, that is 3375. The cube root of resulting number is 13375 is equal to cube root of 3 cube into 5 cube. 3 into 5, that is 15. ठीक है, hope you understood this. This is of same pattern as we did in squares and square root. Actually both topics are interconnected, but in square root we have division method. In cube root we don't have any other method. We have only one from prime factorization method. Here also we have to find the smallest number by which 2560 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. Also find the resulting number and cube root of it. So 2560 का we will find prime factor. 2 ones are 2 twos are 280, 2640, 320, 160, 280, 240, 220, 210, 2551. Okay, now let us make a pairs of three numbers. So these three, these three, these three. So 2560 is equal to 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube into 5. So here to make it perfect cube you have to multiply 5 square. If I multiply 5 square to this number I get perfect cube number. So what I will write, smallest number to be multiplied is 5 square, that is 25. The resulting number two five six zero into 25, that is multiply you will get 64,000. So now resulting number का cube root. So we know 64 is the cube of 4. So 1040, the cube root will be 40. Find the smallest number by which 1600 must be divided. Here we have division. So that quotient is a perfect cube, and also find the resulting number and cube root of the it. So again we will find 1600 ka prime factors. 2800, 2400, 2200, 2100, 250, 225, 5 fives are 5 ones are. Let us make a pairs. 2 or 5 is only 2 times. 1600 can be written as 2 cube into 2 cube into 5 square. Now here what we can divide, we have to remove this, whichever number does not exist in pairs, that we can divide. So smallest number to be divided is 5 square, that is 25. So therefore resulting number is 1600 divided by 25. So ones are 4s are 64. So therefore cube root of resulting number is 4. Next question. Find the smallest number by which 8878 must be divided so that quotient is a perfect cube, and also find the resulting number and cube root of resulting number. So let us find 8788 का prime factor. 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 9s are 2 4s are. Again 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 9s are 2 7s are. Now 2197 is the cube of 13. 169, 13 13s are 13 1s are. So we can write 8788 is equal to 2 cube 2 square into 13 cube. So here 2 square does not exist in the pairs of 3 numbers. So therefore we can say smallest number to be divided is 2 square. We can remove that 2 square, that is 4. We will divide by 4. So resulting number 8788 divided by 4. So that will give you 2197. Because if you remove, you will get 2197, and cube root of 2197 is 13. Now last main question. Find the value of cube root of 392 and 448. Let us find prime factor of both. 2 ones are 2 nines are 6 2 9 8 2 49 7 sevens are 7 ones are. Here 2 2 2 4 1 1 2 56 228 214 27 7 1. So if I am writing both together, 392 into 448, because both is cube root, so I can write cube root of 2 cube, whatever is cube that I can write first. We will write 7 square into 2 cube into 2 cube into 7. So again we will write 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube, and 7 square into 7 is 7 cube. So removing cube root, you will get 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 into 7. So 8 sevens are 56 is the answer. Last question of this chapter. This chapter was very small. It has very few concepts. We'll same way 1 3 7 5 ka we will find prime factor. 3 4s are 12. 3 we cannot 17. No, we cannot use 3. We will use 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 7s are 5 5s are 5 5 5 5 11s are 11 1s are 968 2 4 8 4 2 2 4 2 2 1 21 11 11s are 11 1s are. So if I am taking both number together, 1375 multiplied by 968, cube root of 1375 is 5 cube into 11 into 2 cube into 11 square. So cube root of, we can write 5 cube into 2 cube into 11 cube. So removing cube root, I can write 5 into 2 into 11, that is 10 into 11, 110. This is the cube root of 110. Hope you had understood this. Again, same process after finishing chapter. Do homework revision question in the separate notebook which we had already made for squares and square roots. Okay, if you understood this, just press like button so that I can understand. Okay, you got this. But after one more chapter, after finishing these two, I will be conducting test on these two chapters. So just prepare. I will give you some time for preparation. Then we can keep test on these chapters. Till that, bye bye.